In this tutorial, I will evaluate the screencast tool Screencast-O-Matic. I will look at the following criteria: user friendliness, quality of service, and costs. So let's look at user friendliness. I click on this page, screencast-O-Matic.com, and I'm ready to go. Click here, start recording, and the feature will start recording. No download is necessary, although it is an option. Also good to know, it's a one-click screen capture recording on Windows or Mac computers. And if you want to install it, it's free of charge. Is this tool easy to learn? For someone who has never made a screencast, this Screencast-O-Matic would be a first choice, in my opinion. And no download is necessary, as I said, although it is an option for users with an unstable internet connection, for example. Next, let's look at quality of service. One criterion is security. You find lots of information on the page terms of service, and I'm going to show you the ones I consider are related to security issues. Terms of service is a document that is a contract between the user of the service and Screencast-O-Matic, and every user needs to agree to this before starting to use the service. So whenever someone uses screencasts with Screencast-O-Matic, this person agrees not to use the service in any way that is unlawful, harmful to minors, and to falsify any in online presence, or to disguise origin of any content. Also, it is important to note that the company wants to defend people's copyright for content, and wants to prevent people from creating spam content while using this type of service. So these are some of the terms one has to agree to. Another point is that Screencast-O-Matic may access, preserve, and disclose your account information and content if required to do so by law or in a good faith belief, which might be important for some kind of activity online. Regarding warranties, the material on the website is provided as is, without warranty of any kind. This is something that one should know. When using the service, it's basically assuming that the content is secure, but if anything should happen, there is no way you can claim anything. So when copyright seems to be infringed, the company is committed to helping the person, and anyone who believes that the material contained on the website infringes someone's copyright, they may contact the company. The videos are going to be shared on YouTube, or for pro version on Vimeo or Google Drive. So any security issues would also have to do with how these websites are operated. Something to keep in mind. Let's look at the next criteria of quality of service, which are stability and reliability. On this web page, you can see how this service is rated. It's interesting to note that this is a web page that is frequently used. Last entry was, or update was, about 3 months ago. It's announced as a free application, and total downloads are 109,000 roughly, whereas last week 10,000 downloads have been made, which is an indication that this software is frequently used. Okay. The product ranking, well, I don't know how they come to this result, but they say it's #1 in video capture software. Okay. Now, I found another website where people comment on the application. So let's look at this one next. So we see here that not many people have rated and really evaluated this tool so far, but let's see what these people have to say about Screencast-O-Matic. First comment, an amazing tool. Well, what are the cons? The user interface and documentation are not idiot-proof, so something to keep in mind. This is an opinion, it's not necessarily what we think about it. But also the person says the support team seems willing to work with anyone and to guide them through any confusion, so this is kind of encouraging. Next comment, the best free screen recorder. Okay, no matter how many other applications the person has tried out before. This person says the watermark and the fact that a blinker surrounds my mouse is a bit annoying. Well, that's a matter of personal taste. Someone else might like this. It's easy, top of the line free tool, another comment. And something that is not so good in this person's opinion, the only comment could be to they do not have tons of features, whatever that means, but not the vast majority need them. Okay. Perfect screencast with no surprises. User interface could be a little more intuitive. Okay, we need to explore this. Okay, this is a matter of personal experience, also how well you are able to learn a tool. Okay, summary of this person, one of my favorite tools. So this is encouraging. The next criterion is costs. So here on the home page, if you scroll down, you find this information. What features are free of charge? You have 15 minutes, free hosting, record, screen, and webcam. So I could also use my webcam to create a screencast. Can publish to YouTube on high definition and publish to MP4, AVI, and LFL movie. So for $15 a year, this is the price for the professional version. I get lots of stuff more. So let's take a look at some of the things they offer. Okay, I can publish screenshots. Well, yes, okay, that's another option. For instance, if I want to post something on Flickr. No watermark when publishing. Okay. Password protect uploads, that's an interesting thing. And I have editing tools, which I have not tried out yet, but I think I will sign up for the professional version and try them out. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like, you can contact me. The best way to contact me is on Twitter. Have a nice day.